Hello guys, and welcome back. How you doing? We hadn't done a live video in a while, so here we go. This one is gonna be a giveaway. We are doing a giveaway. And no, it's not. We're just gonna use the box, because this box, you know, we can fit all the cards. We have about 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 18, 21, 24, 27, 29 card giveaway, and it's gonna be all imports. Can I do it? Are you sure here? Imports. Let me do it like this. All imports, euros. We're gonna have a giveaway of all those cars. It's gonna be a giveaway, a whole bunch of cars giveaway. I know there might not be, you know, like, oh, cars, but look at this. We have some Skylines, Mazda RX-7, and look what's in there too. Ferrari 355. We have more. It's just all imports, guys. All imports. We have Mazda Repo 2. It's a giveaway. Mazda Repo. Honda. There's a Batman in there too. We're gonna have some nice cars. I'm telling you. Look at this. We have a Hit Fleet. Volkswagen Brasilia right here. We're gonna have Mad Maniacs. From the Mad Maniacs, we're gonna have this kind of like Formula 1 car in there too. Subaru WRX. We're gonna have, these are all imports, man. We have more cars, Toyotas, Honda Civic and Toyota Celica, and Honda Civic, this Civic right here. All right, the Subaru Brat, the Civic, Toyota, Acura, Honda, another Honda Civic right here, but this is like a different color. So a whole bunch of cars. We're gonna do a giveaway. I don't even know how many are we up to. Look at this. JDMs too. There are Lamborghini. We've got this Ford Focus, Honda bike. Big giveaway for you guys. Acura, Lancer, First Lady. It's just a giveaway for you guys. Thank everybody. We got the Nissan R180X, Type X, Ford Fiesta, Scion, and we still have more. Look at this. We have another Ferrari. It's part of the giveaway right there. It's all going on that box. All right, more cars. That's all part of the giveaway. Everybody's just gonna get all of this. Another Nissan. So you're gonna get all these cars, guys. Giveaway. And all you have to do, we got some Ferraris in there. How rare and difficult it is to get Ferraris. You know, Hot Wheels lost this Ferrari license, so they no longer make Ferraris. But you get 2 in here, plus a whole bunch of other cars. All you have to do, 3 simple little things. All you're gonna do is subscribe to the channel. You must be subscribed. If you're not subscribed, I'm sorry, you'll be disqualified. Subscribe, like the video, and comment, I like this video. Comment, I like this video. What city and what state you're participating from. So you're gonna subscribe to the channel. If you're not subscribed, you must be subscribed. So subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment, I like this video, what city and what state you're from. If you're international, then what city and what country, what city and what state and what country you are participating from. And the only thing you have to do is just those 3 things, and that's it. If you're international, you would have to put, because I remember one of my giveaways, I got a guy who was international, and you know, we have some issues there. So, but if you're international, guys, we're gonna have to talk about shipping and handling. So if you happen to be international and you win, right, we'll talk about shipping and handling. We're gonna, you know, talk about that on the side, and we'll decide how we're gonna do it, because I remember last time it was like $40-something to ship whatever to the winner. And this is gonna be based, I'm gonna run, there's like a special program that picks a random comments from your YouTube videos. I think it's called YouTube random comment picker or something like that. It's a random comment picker. So this is gonna be based on your on your comments. So you must be subscribed to the channel, like the video, and then comment, I like this video, city, state, and country. That's all you gotta do, those 3 things. All right, and you get a whole bunch of cards. It's like what, like around 30, 29 or something. You get them all, guys. All right, you get all of them. If you know, if you're international, again, we're gonna talk about shipping and handling. All right, so all right, guys, I hope you like them. I know, you know, they're cars. It's just a giveaway to thank you all for being, you know, part of this channel and for following me, and you know, it's a giveaway. So let me know, guys. All right, so good luck to everybody. We're gonna do this. Today is Thursday, so we're gonna run this from Thursday, and then Saturday, not this Saturday coming up, Saturday of next week, we're gonna pick a winner. And again, I'm gonna do it live. You know, I'm gonna do the random picker, and I will post the video here, and then, you know, we'll see who the winner is. All right, guys, so good luck, and you know, I hope you guys like the video, and yeah, keep subscribe, share, and share, you know, share the video so that we can have, you know, a lot of people with, you know, the opportunity of winning. And be on the lookout, I'm gonna do more giveaways. All right, guys, all right, so that's it. We'll see, let's see who's gonna win. Good luck, happy hunting, God bless.